Feeling totally fatigued, achy, and scattered isn't just a sign of old age. When people feel like this, they could be going down that treacherous path towards autoimmune dysfunction or even have an undiagnosed autoimmune illness already. But you don't have to suffer needlessly. The key is to repair your gut and restore immune health. The goal is to improve quality of life to create more times with less autoimmune flares of symptoms. I'm Dr. Michael K. from the Center for Functional Health, and today I'm going to talk about 3 ways to manage leaky gut and autoimmune. The conventional approach to treating autoimmune is to prescribe medications or injectable biologic in hopes of dealing with the symptoms. Now, while this may seem a logical approach and definitely plays a role, there is an often overlooked process, and that is the inflammation-gut connection. Do you know that your gut rules the health of your immune system and that most people's gut health isn't up to snuff? Answer yes or no below and feel free to place your questions in the comment box. And if you find this content helpful, please let me know by liking and sharing this video and or subscribing below. Since your gut is so key when it comes to immune function, when gut infections or dysbiosis imbalances have spun out of control, your entire immune system becomes overactive. Leaky gut, aka intestinal permeability, can be seen with autoimmune conditions such as celiac, Crohn's, IBS, lupus, type 1, and even MS. So let's look at 3 ways to help with leaky gut in the setting of autoimmune conditions. Nutrition is the best place to start. I'm sure you heard of the phrase, food is medicine. So let's remove the things that break down good health. We like to start with a guided elimination protocol. You want to eliminate all grains, soy, corn, alcohol, caffeine, dairy, and eggs. Even some vegetables are on the chopping block, no pun intended, as some vegetables can contribute to gastrointestinal discomfort. Now keep in mind, this is not a forever nutrition protocol. Next, initiate a meditation and exercise program to help with the side effects of stress. And the third is functional lab testing to look for vitamin deficiencies and dysbiosis, which is gut imbalances. Now this may seem like a lot, but you don't have to go it alone. We have a gut healing program where we help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and if you want to go deeper on the topic of gut health, then click the link below for my free guide on the 5 keys to digestive health, or click the link in the description to schedule a free phone consultation with me. Stay healthy and strong, and we'll see you soon.